The Artemis 2 mission gave us incredible views of the moon and Earth, but NASA's next big launch is expected to be even more extraordinary. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is the first of its kind and will go on a mission to map the universe. It has a 300 megapixel camera that will capture wide field images, even showing us millions of galaxies in a single shot. Cindy Hsu spoke with one of the scientists behind the project.
And joining us now from the Goddard Space Flight Center is Jack Marshall, Integration and Testing Lead for the Roman Observatory. Thank you so much for joining us, Jack. You're sitting in front of the telescope right now. Can you tell us a little about how it works and what it can do, and also the unique suit that you have on right now?
Certainly. So, yeah, as you mentioned, we have the Roman Space Telescope right behind me. This is a very unique telescope. We've got two instruments on here. One is the wide field camera, which has the 18 detectors, and as you noted, has 300 megapixel capability. That's our primary instrument that's going to be used to capture large images and surveys of the sky. We also have the coronagraph instrument, which will be used to capture and look at kind of faint objects, such as planets. This telescope's been years in the making, been an incredible effort, incredible journey to get it to this point, but we're really excited for the science that it'll bring. As far as the suit goes, we all have to wear these suits in here. We are an optical instrument with the mirrors and the detectors and the instruments, and we want to keep those as clean as possible. And a large part of that is wearing these suits to help protect from contaminants, little fibers, hairs, particulates that we would come off from our just everyday clothes in this environment. So the clean room suits that we have here, called bunny suits, we all have to wear those as one measure to kind of mitigate the contaminants that we bring into this clean room.
All right, Jack, thank you. And let's talk about the mission now. Where is the telescope headed, and what are we hoping to learn from it?
So it is going to be headed to a point in space called Lagrange Point 2, or L2. This is also where Webb went years ago. It's a nice balance point in the universe, in our solar system, where this telescope can be balanced and be blocked from some of the sun and for the observations. But it's going to go out to that point and survey the sky. So where Hubble and Webb can kind of take small images of the sky and focus on those details in that image, Roman's going to be taking huge wide-angle pictures of the sky and be stitching those together. So what we can do with Roman is take these huge pictures and stitch them all together and capture those in great detail. If we see something that we really are intrigued about within those pictures, we can use Hubble or Webb to kind of further look at those. But looking at the Roman work, the Roman images, it just provides a huge statistical amount of information about our solar system and galaxies and distant solar systems that we can all look at.
That's going to be incredible. Well, now that the Roman is nearly ready to go, what happens next, and when is the launch?
So, as you can tell, we're nearly done with it here. We're just doing the final, bows on it, we'll say, before we ship out in a couple weeks. So we're going to be shipping out in mid-June and heading down to Kennedy Space Center for the launch. We have some preparation work that we do down there, just some final transportation checkouts, making sure everything is buttoned up and ready to go for launch. And we will be ready to launch in early September.
My goodness, that's so soon. All right, Jack Marshall from the NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, thank you so much for joining us.